Good soil management is the cornerstone of successful farming. It's not just about planting seeds, it's about creating the best possible environment for those seeds to grow. Soil management directly impacts the health of your soil, which in turn influences crop growth and yield. In today's video, we'll explore how different soil management practices affect crop yield and why proper soil care is essential for a high-producing farm. If you're finding this video useful and want to learn more about soil management and sustainable farming practices, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Now, let's explore how soil management influences crop yield. Soil health is the foundation of a high crop yield. Healthy soil is rich in nutrients, organic matter, and beneficial microorganisms that support plant growth. When soil is managed well, it can hold more water, maintain proper nutrient levels, and support better root systems, all of which contribute to higher yields. 1. Improved nutrient availability. Proper soil management ensures that essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are available to plants. This increases plant growth and productivity. Practices like adding compost, using organic fertilizers, and applying biofertilizers ensure that soil remains nutrient-rich. 2. Better soil structure. Soil management practices like mulching, tillage, and cover cropping improve the soil structure. These practices prevent soil compaction, enhance water retention, and provide the right environment for roots to spread, leading to healthier, more robust plants. Let's take a look at the key soil management practices that directly affect crop yield. 1. Crop rotation. One of the most effective ways to maintain soil health is through crop rotation. Growing different crops each season prevents nutrient depletion and reduces the risk of pests and diseases. For example, rotating legumes with cereals helps fix nitrogen in the soil, which is beneficial for the following crops. 2. Organic matter addition, compost and manure. Adding organic matter like compost and manure improves soil structure and water retention. It also increases microbial activity, which in turn makes nutrients more available to plants. This practice has a direct effect on crop yield by providing a steady supply of nutrients. 3. Water management. Proper water management through systems like drip irrigation and rainwater harvesting ensures that plants receive adequate moisture. Over or underwatering can stress crops and reduce yields, so maintaining the right moisture levels is crucial for maximizing production. 4. Soil pH management. Soil pH plays a vital role in nutrient availability. For instance, if the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, plants won't be able to absorb nutrients properly. Regular soil pH testing and adjustments using lime or sulfur can optimize the growing conditions for crops, leading to higher yields. Let's look at a real-life example from Punjab, where proper soil management techniques have led to remarkable improvements in crop yield. A study conducted by ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, found that farmers who practiced crop rotation, used compost and organic fertilizers, and maintained proper water management saw an average increase in wheat and rice yield by 25 to 30%. These practices not only boosted crop production, but also improved soil health over the long term. This case study shows the power of integrated soil management in achieving both high yields and sustainable farming. In conclusion, proper soil management is key to achieving higher crop yields. By focusing on soil health through practices like nutrient management, water conservation, and organic matter addition, farmers can significantly improve the productivity of their fields. Healthy soil equals healthy crops, and that's the foundation for a successful and sustainable farming operation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What soil management practices do you follow on your farm? Share your experiences with us in the comments.